Welcome back to this week's episode. For those of you who are new, we are Mia and Masi. We live on this beautiful island of Sicily. We take you to see some beautiful places and to meet lots of interesting locals. We usually cook typical Italian dishes and do some DIY in our villa. This week we have some close friends coming over for lunch, so we will be taking you with us to do some local food shopping, some wine tasting and more. So enjoy this video.
Aveva appena il 12 euro. Una buona giornata, grazie mille a lei, grazie.
Il video. Vediamo.
Andiamo a fare l'uguale però.
No, che c'entra? Aspetta, voglio fare vedere le uova.
Signora, ma mancherà tutto buono, veramente.
Sì.
Ok, perfetto. Come si chiama?
No, questo
va bene, questo è bello colorato.
Sì, bellino.
Quello è un maschietto, no?
Questo è un maschietto, sì.
Ok.
Solo abbiamo le femmine.
Quale femmina vuoi?
La femminuccia, questa qua con la coda blu.
Questa qua, lato destra.
Bella, sì.
Sì.
Good morning. So we have come to a wine tasting event with Massey's boss, and it is in a beautiful place. I'll just show you. We're going to be tasting a few glasses of wine. Yay! There he is. Tasting his wine. The expert. What's it like, Mas?
Se viene intervistato ci dia una...
It's bubbly.
Bubbly.
It's a nice champagne.
You take the name.
Questo qua.
Anche il packaging che noi siamo...
Non c'è tutto.
Grazie.
Here you go, some nice wine to taste.
Quindi sì,
Massey's going to try a grappa. Is that right, Mass?
Yeah.
What flavour?
It's Chardonnay.
Chardonnay grappa.
Yeah, it's like Chardonnay. So it's made from what's left over after they make the wine.
Okay.
They take like the seeds and all the leftovers.
All the leftovers.
And they make it, they distill it from that.
Amazing. Okay, let's try this.
Obviously I haven't eaten, so I'm going to have a little. How much so? Smell that.
Strong?
Anche se devo dire è abbastanza pronto.
Julia's being very brave. She's tasted grappa. Hai visto? Non è male, buona. This is oil tasting, not wine tasting.
Questo è tutto siciliano, questo è le fave di
Cosiddetto muro confitto, come si chiama oggi? Sì. Quello invece sono i faccini.
Si vieni a...
We're going outside. The men want to have a fag. Giulia, come ti senti?
Bene.
Dobbiamo mangiare però.
Sì.
And there in the background we can see Ortigia. It's just behind the cactus bush. And then just opposite is part of the island which we're on at the moment. It's called Isola. You can see Siracusa from here. This restaurant is very, very popular with the locals. So if you do want to come, you need to book or come early. This place is a dream paradise. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm having more fun outside than I am inside. Stunning. And here in the summer they'll have all the tables and chairs set out. It's beautiful. Let me go and taste some wine with Massi and everyone else. We've had a lovely day. We've tasted a few glasses of wine, a few too many, I reckon. And they're still busy in there choosing their wines for the restaurant. We had a bite to eat. They had a few gourmet pizzas and a few dishes of pasta. It's been a lovely day and a really nice time. The view is spectacular. through the jungle. Sicilian jungle. Sicilian jungle. Buongiorno! This morning we are going to do a little bit of Spesa, a little bit of shopping, and we're going to do it in our little local area, and we're going to show you around the lovely little shops that they have here. So we're just going to our local butchers because we've got friends coming over tomorrow, and this is the owner.
Piacere, Carmelo.
Carmelo. Ok.
Prego, signor.
Buongiorno.
Prego.
Buongiorno. Sì.
Allora, buona giornata.
Grazie a voi, Carmelo. So we are getting at the moment sausages with
Pepper,
one with pepper and one without.
but they both have fennel seeds. And then I think I'm going to get some of these lemon chicken kebab.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Nas?
Yeah, that would be beautiful.
E poi mi dia 4 spiedini al limone. Qual è la differenza tra questi qua? Ah, questo è pistacchio. Pistacchioso, sì. Allora, 2 di limone e ti piace pistacchio?
Certo.
2 di pistacchio. Ok, 4 di questi qua.
Sì.
Grazie.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Perfetto, signora, grazie. Bit of olives, obviously fresh chicken.
And this is all local meat. This Mr. Carmelo is been here for many, many years.
Da quanto tempo vi siete aperti?
Guarda una vita, quasi 30 anni.
More than 30 years they've been.
30-year-old butcher.
Sì, grazie signora.
Okay, so that's the butcher booth, huh?
It's called Taverna Enoteca.
They've got these big cauldrons with the wine that they produce themselves. As you can see, there's a lot of bottled wine in here. Buongiorno. And we like the wine that they make, so I'm going to show you how that works.
Può assaggiare? C'è questa tavola? Se c'è da quello vuoi provare qualche altra cosa?
Che altro? Un bel secco rosso secco.
Il silenzio. Allora,
Fammi assaggiare il silenzio.
Dovresti essere più morbido, più...
Sì, se mi faresti...
Cosa ti faccio? Bottiglia?
Sì, magari.
What
Okay,
did
so
you?
I've just tasted some of this. It's a cedar.
A what?
It's this one here, cedar.
Okay.
This is over here. This is the technical part of it all.
Yeah.
It's $2.50 a litre. And
Oh,
what he
wow.
does, he gives it into a bottle.
It's so cheap.
Normally, yeah, it's very cheap. That's what I buy it from.
And it's
it's really
good.
quality wine. So,
Ovviamente noi dobbiamo levarla dalla bottiglia di plastica, giusto? Yeah.
normally take it out of the plastic, put it in a glass. Can
Se
manufacture.
avete 2 bottiglie da 1 litro,
Sì, ce l'ho.
fai 1 litro, quella piena, non si rovina.
Sì,
Abbiamo
sì,
del vino
fai.
principale è l'aria.
Sì. infatti,
Ok.
Questo è 5.
5 euro.
Lei è il signor
Regalo Giuseppe.
Diana. And
Okay.
yeah, he's a very nice person. So.
Thank you, signor Giuseppe. Bye bye.
Arrivederci.
Let's go buy some cheese. This is a local caseificio, which means they make all their cheeses by themselves. They don't buy anything. Everything's done. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Sì. Buongiorno. Lei come si chiama?
Alessandro.
Alessandro. Ok.
Okay,
Ma
so
sì.
these cheeses are all locally made. They make them themselves. You've got a big, nice laboratory in the back there.
Yeah.
And we are going to choose a cheese for dinner. Yeah?
For lunch, you
For
mean?
lunch, yeah. So you want to chiedere più
Yeah.
sale del pepe nero?
Sì,
Facciamo quello piccolino.
facciamo un piccolo, sì, primo sale con pepe
Quello
nero.
un sale un pepe nero, sì.
Sottovuoto?
Magari. Okay, he's going to put it in a vacuum bag because it holds.
Okay, holds the flavor, I guess. Okay.
So we've got a nice big laboratory in back.
Yeah,
where they
you can
do
see it's
production of the
lovely.
cheese. Very cute little shop. It's nicely decorated.
Yeah, I love it. The old ricotta pots, and if you look back at our episodes, we did a proper ricotta tasting episode where we went up in the mountains and did that. Grazie, arrivederci. Bye, thank you.
Arrivederci.
Good morning, buongiorno. Today we have our friends coming over for lunch. So we are very busy, as you can see. Massi is starting the pizza oven.
For the first time this year,
Yep.
trying to get it warm as possible. We're not doing pizza.
No, we're not doing
We're
pizzas.
just doing some meat and some potatoes.
Nice. I'm just trying to clean the sink here. Obviously, we didn't have enough time to paint, but we will do that maybe next week, Massi?
That's because of the winter. The winter gets a lot of moss and wetness. And
It's
really,
natural.
Yeah.
So we do that every year. We give it a little bit of a facelift, but we'll do that next time. Okay, so we're doing sausage and potatoes in the oven. We're doing some stuff that we bought at that lovely macellaio.
the butcher.
The macellaio. Oops. And a nice salad, and I've made a lemon tart, which I'll show you in a moment. It's a glorious day today. And they're coming from London, so they're gonna love this weather. They're Sicilians living in London. That's a long story. I'll tell you all about it. So just making this really quick focaccia. Well, it's been rising for like 24 hours. I'm just gonna add some black olives, some rosemary, and a sprinkle of chili, peperoncino, and that's it. We're gonna pop that in the pizza oven. That's our only pizza. It's not even a pizza, focaccia.
Yummy.
So I've prepared 2 trays of sausages and potatoes. One's got the chili and the other sausage is just plain. I've added a whole onion, garlic with its skin, and that will go in the pizza oven soon. Just letting my lemon tart cool down, and then afterwards I will decorate it with some fresh cream. Okay, so I found an old butcher's scale in the old garage when we moved here, which was just thrown there, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna ask, well, I have asked Massi to pop this on here, and I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but it just looks nice, and I think if we don't put it there, it's gonna get ruined. So yeah, I like that. I have known Rita and Sebi for more than 30 years, and even though we don't live close by anymore because now they're living in London and we're living in Sicily, we always try and meet up whenever we can to get together and have a good meal and a good laugh. They are amazing friends, and I have never met any other friends like them, ever.
A noi.
Sempre, per sempre.
Buona l'arancia.
Buona. A me piace.
No, io voglio vivere in campagna, voglio vivere così, col sole in fronte.
Perché vanno a vedere un sacco di posti e fate conoscere un sacco di posti che non lo fanno.
Non è come qua siamo rilassati, siamo nel piano.
Loro lo fai.
Come Sebbi?
Bellissimo, Mary.
Ma lo sai che lì è il gabinetto dei cani?
No, là, è più giù.
Certo, dopo mesi a Londra.
Ma che cazzo ne vale lo vaffanculo Londra?
Beautiful saying from Pirandello is: naturalmente anche tu andrai via dalla Sicilia, ma non dimenticare il profumo. Of course you too will leave Sicily, but never forget her scent. Thank you so much for following us, for subscribing, for liking and for leaving a comment. It really does help us and it gives us so much joy just to read all your comments. I hope you've enjoyed this week's episode and we will see you next week with a new episode. Have a lovely, lovely evening.